Good morning, students. Now, today we will discuss these points. Class is class 5, subject EVS, and the topic is the skeletal system. With few days, we are discussing that topic, and the points day by day I am trying to improve you, giving to you more and more points related to that topic. So, the first one is our body has two pair of limbs. Our body has two pair of limbs. Two pair of limbs means total four. Pair means two, and two pair means four. That means there are total four limbs in our body. The four limbs are our arms, and the hind limbs are our legs. Means our arms that are known as four limbs. Four limbs that are our arms, and hind limbs that are legs. Means our arms are four limbs, the name of arms are four limbs, and legs are known as the hind limbs. Next point is the thigh bone, also called the femur, is the longest bone in our body. Thigh bones means the lower side of our body, the upper part of our leg. Upper part of our leg is known as the thigh, and the bone that is inside our thigh, that is the thigh bones. So the other name of the thigh bones is femur. We can call the thigh bone as a femur, and the property of it is the longest bone in our body. Means femur is the longest bone in our body. Next point, the point where two bones join is known as joint. Means the place where two bones joints, that is known as joints. Point means that particular place of our body where the two bones join, and it is known as joint. Here one bone is here, and the second one is in my hand. Hand and arm, between these two is a place where the two bones are joined together. So that place is known as joints. Next point, the bones are attached to each other at joints with strong tissues known as the ligaments. Means the whole body, the place where the joint is present, where the bones are joined together, there a tissue works to make them attached, to make them fixed. That is known as ligaments. So where the bones are attached, that place is joint, and strong tissues that are known as ligaments, and these make them attached to make them strong and fixed. Next point is there are two type of joints in our body, movable and immovable. Means there are two type of joints in our body. First one is movable, and the second one is immovable. Movable means the joints which can do the movements, and immovable means that cannot do the any movement. Like my fingers bones, I can move it, I can make the motion in it. That are the movable joints. And if suppose that I want to fold my hand from here, this place, it is not possible. So this type of bones are known as the immovable joints. Homework is as usual. The given points that we discussed here, you have to learn them, and you have to write in your EVS activity copy. So the homework is learn and write the given points in your EVS activity copy. So look one time at the all points, and if you have any problem, you can consult to me. Thank you.